Well, hello my beautiful and amazing crafters. Welcome to another video of Crafting with Shaneda. Come along with me today as I make this beautiful resin nail art palette. So I'm going to start off making sure I have a nice clean workspace, and I'm going to go ahead and get all my items that I'll be using for this project, get them ready and prepared. Everything that I'll be using today, I will have it listed in the description box below if you want to go ahead and try this project yourself. So working with resin, any chemical, make sure you're read the instructions, you're fully aware of your surroundings. I'm going to open ventilated area and make sure you have your safety gloves and in this case my respirator for resin. So I purchased this mold from Amazon. It is a nail art resin mold. It's about 5 by 7 inches once it's complete, and it will fit in the palm of your hand. So it is a quite small. If that's not an issue, definitely can try this project yourself, but I think it's going to turn out beautiful as I can't wait to start this project. So after I got all the safety requirements out of the way, I like to prepare my resin, which is a part A and B, epoxy hardener and resin. And I've been using this resin for about 1.5 years, 2 years, and my projects always come out really good. I think this is a really good beginner friendly resin. It doesn't have a lot of bubbles and it is just really easy to work with. So using my clear measuring cup, I'm going to mix equal parts of the part A and B. And I know for my design, I want to have something where I'll have a gold trim and then a clear or white middle. So I'm taking that in consideration when measuring my resin. I like to mix my resin mixture part A and B for about 2 minutes, and then I let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to let any air bubbles come to the surface, which normally I don't have a lot. So I split the mixture and I added some gold flakes into the resin, and I just wanted to have that layer on the top of the bottom of the mold. And with the remaining mixture, I added some white pigment coloring and a little bit of mica. It was like an off-white powder just to add right in the center of the mold. I didn't want it to be a solid white. I wanted to have a little bit of a silver shimmery effect, and the combination came out amazing. So here is the next day, and I'm going to go ahead and demold these resin projects. And I just love the way it came out. I love the fact that the gold didn't really filter into the white, the center of the mold. It just came out exactly how I just envisioned it in my mind. And then you can add a text on top. I added the company's name on top, and they'll be using this as a display, and it came out great. Let me know in the comments below if I should add this to my Etsy shop. Well, I hope to see you on the next video of Crafting with Shaneda. Happy crafting!